Good morning, students. Myself, Mahendra Saini, faculty from Civil Engineering Department, would like to discuss today our important subject, Water Resources Engineering, and a topic of interest today is we have already discussed in last lecture about suggestions for improving the irrigation efficiency and management. In this section, we will move towards volumetric assessment. So we will discuss briefly in volumetric assessment. Charges are levied on the basis of actual volume of water supplied at the outlet head. Most economical use of water in the field leads to more extent of irrigation area. Okay. So in this statement it is stated that some charges of water is taken from cultivators. Okay, and most economical use of water in the field leads to more extent of irrigation area. So these are preferable that cultivators should use the water in a very proper manner, so our economical use of water will takes place. It requires installation of water meters. Okay, so for this purpose water meters are installed and the readings are taken by the command area department at all irrigation outlets in the canal system. Okay, so you are able to see the picture. You are able to, if you are able to see this picture, I think now you are able to see the picture clearly. Okay, in this picture you can see here, this is a wall of supply canal, and and ultrasonic flow meter is provided here before take out the water in the canal. Okay, some orifice meter is also installed here for laminar flow of water, and control gate is here. Okay, to control the discharge of the water from upstream side to downstream side. Okay, so these are the all arrangements of volumetric assessment. It is in general practice to charge the water rates based on the irrigated area. Okay, in this system the cultivators have the tendency to use excess water, as this is you are very well known that it is a human tendency. Okay, so cultivators also tendency to use the excess water because the charges are fixed. Okay, this leads to a wastage of water completely, and by introducing the volumetric assessment, in which the charges are based on the volume of water actually used by cultivators, the wastage of water is reduced. Okay, the water rate should be charged according to the time of supply of water, and it is very nominal for the cultivators. only it is provided, it is regulate uh, to the structure and it is provided for very economical cost, just for reducing the wastage of water. If the rates uh, is the same throughout the crop period, the cultivators have a tendency to delay irrigation till the last moment, expecting some rainfall. So it leads to the concentration of demand over a short period and very little demand during the rest of the crop period. Okay. The charges should be high for summer months to discourage field cropping. Okay, there is no other purpose, because of higher consumptive use of water. Okay, in the summer vacation, summer period, summer months. And you usually know that in if you don't know, and you have to know this, in the summer period, maintenance of the canal or any drainage system or irrigation channel, field channels, maintenance is done. Okay, maintenance work is followed. In the succession of this irrigation efficiency, the next step is for another step is introducing roster system. Okay, what is roster system? We are try to understand this. Okay, it is the general practice that all the cultivators take their supply from the waste water courses simultaneously. Okay, and the supply has to be continued for a long time. Okay, so that the cultivators get the required water for irrigation. Okay, but this leads to uneconomical use of water because of increased losses. So roster system is introduced. It is a most effective system, and Varabandi is also taken into account in this system. Okay, in this system, the water is supplied to the cultivators of water courses turn by turn. Okay, and in this if a single cultivator has no turn, then this water is given to the another cultivator. Okay, in this period, and each cultivator in this way get his water supply for a fixed period at an interval of 10 to 14 days. Okay, and it depends on the type of crop. Okay, and the supply to that of water course is then cut off by closing the outlets. Okay, as you know that outlets is also provided at each take of canal or take of distributory miners, dhoras, water courses, water field channels. Okay, as you are able to see the picture, the in this picture you can see here that a delivery of water to farms by rotation delivery system is given. Okay, in this system, each activities is shown by different types of lines, managed by states, managed by farmers, outlets for Makka, water course, chuck boundary. Okay, and welding boundary. Okay, all those things here. So this is a proper system of rotation of delivery. Okay, through outlets. Okay, so the main advantage of the roster system is that the wastage of water is considerably reduced because the large size stream is used for a small period. Okay, so this is all about our two types of steps roster system we have studied, we have discussed volumetric excess in water. In next lecture we will move towards further our next steps for irrigation efficiency. Thank you.